G'day folks, it's Mick from Mick's Aquaponics. How you going all? Just bringing you along to show you my new solar setup and how I've converted my aquaponics over to solar and running on solar 24/7. So come along and let's have a look. Okay, this is my solar regulator. Brought off a site called Wish for $7 Australian. I'll try and work out how much it is American and put it up for you, what it cost. As you can see, it's sitting on 13.6. When batteries are all fully charged, it sits about 14.4. Once the sun goes down, we're looking about 13.2, 13.3. And that's enough power to get me through until the morning and recharge up again and work through the day. The inverter itself is a 6,000 maximum 3,000 watt inverter. I'm currently running a 9,000 litre an hour water pump and handling it quite nice, as you can see. And that cost me from eBay $66. That cost me. So it's a 6,000 watt max with 3,000 watts, 12 volt with 24 volt output. Sorry, 240 volt output. So that's my inverter. Yeah, had it for 3 days. It's now running 24/7 solar system. Running that pump. No problems with it so far. I have got a surge protector on it, which runs this line here, which runs to my pump outside, just runs up there. That other cable is my cable to my solar, so it just runs up out to the aquaponic system. The batteries I didn't include in the price because I've just been getting my batteries from here and there and they haven't been costing me anything, so I didn't include it in the price. If you're going to buy batteries, I'm not sure what that's going to cost you. Easiest way to go would be a deep cycle battery, but I can't afford a deep cycle battery at the moment, so I've gone with car batteries. Currently running 3 car batteries. I'll put the total watts and amperage of the car batteries all combined up for you so you can check that out. They're connected in series, so negative to negative all the way through, positive to positive all the way through. With these clips here are the inverter, 6,300 watt inverter, 3,000 watt inverter. Those clips, this other one is my solar intake. So let's look at what I'm currently running and the cost for the inverter, the regulator and the solar panels. So the inverter and the regulator are brand new. The solar panels I got second hand. They're only 40 watt solar panels, but when I've got money I'll buy a 300 watt panel and just replace that. But this is just getting myself up and running, so I'm off grid with my aquaponics. So let's go outside and take a look on how everything's running and how everything's looking. Okay, the water's red because I've added iron to the system. Now the pump is a 6,000 litre an hour pump running this system, and that solar system I've got is handling that quite well. I've got no problems with it. The plants, as you can see, are going well. I've just added more fish to the system. I'm starting to add fish now slowly. Like I said before, I'm adding goldfish just to dial the system in for 1 year before I get any eatable fish. At the moment I've got 12 goldfish in there. I'm just adding it up slowly until I get the right amount to counter for all my grow beds. Actually, I'm going to add more air to the fish tank, so what I'll do there is work out what the wattage will be of the air pump, and I'll add more batteries to counter for the air that I'm going to add. Plus counter for days where it's going to be cloudy and not producing enough solar for the system. So, thanks for watching, folks. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell if you want to see more of my videos on how this is all going. Hope you had a great time watching this video. Hope you all have a fantastic day, and I shall catch you later, guys. Cheers.